Okay, Kevin from SFU Biology here. I just wanted to show you how to take a video lecture that you recorded and put it onto YouTube so the students can stream it on any of their devices to watch it. So if you have a Gmail account and you're logged into your Gmail on your computer, then if you go to youtube.com, you should already see your own picture or account showing up in the corner here, meaning that you're logged in for both Gmail and YouTube with your account, which means that you should be able to then upload videos with that account. So look for this little camera symbol with the plus sign. Right? If you hover over, it says create a video or post. I'm going to click on that once and then click on upload video. And that's opened this box right here, and it says drag and drop a file you want to upload. So I can go to my little Finder window here and grab my video file and just drag it right into this box. Right? And you see it's uploading now. Okay, so you can see that the video is uploading, and while it's still uploading and processing, I can actually start naming the video. So I'll say this is sample video 1. I can describe it if I want. I could say that this is video lecture for BISC 101, March 12th. I won't worry about the thumbnails and stuff like that. The only thing that's really important to me, so pretty much, is the title, the description that will show underneath the video, and if I click next, I don't need the video element stuff either. Next again. Visibility is where it matters to me. If I click and make it public, then anybody can see it. But if you have any kind of non-open images in your lecture, so stuff that you took from the textbook and whatnot, the Copyright Office suggests that we put it as unlisted, meaning that it's not open to the public. Only those who have the link can open it. Okay, so put in your title and your description under details, go to visibility and select unlisted, just so that only those you give the link to can watch it, so only your students and not the whole public seeing the textbook figures and whatnot. Then just hit save. Now, it can take, if you have a long video, much longer for the video to upload and also then to be processed as YouTube checks it for, copyright infringement and that kind of thing. But when it's done, right, you can see the video link here. You can just click on it and it'll show up like a usual YouTube video, except this is the one you made.
Into any projector if you're not actually in the...
Pause that here. So notice that my title is here. The description I put is right here, right? And if I wanted to now share this on by email or whatever else, I would just click on the share button, and here is the much shorter link to that video. So I can hit copy, and from there it says link copy to clipboard. I can then go and email that link to anybody I want, or if I wanted to, I can go to Canvas, hit edit, and if I were to then paste that link here, notice it immediately turns it into a YouTube window, and I'll save, and you'll see that that video link becomes a clickable button that, when clicked, immediately starts playing your video. Okay, now it starts out kind of small here, but if I just click on YouTube, I'll open the full video again, or I can also make it full screen and make it nice and big as well. Alright, so I would recommend putting stuff on YouTube just because it makes it most accessible and students don't have to download the entire huge video every time you go, and there's no file size limitations. YouTube will also take all kinds of video files. For example, this video that you're watching right now is basically filmed using my iPhone on a selfie stick pointed at my computer screen with the lights off, so you can't see my messy kitchen, right? So whatever file I pull off of my iPhone can also put onto YouTube for you guys to view as I did here. All right, hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at klamf@sfu.ca. That's klamf as in Frank at sfu.ca.